Hey everybody, it's Mickey, and in this video I'm going to take you through the process of setting up an Excel file from a CSV file using some of the 6-digit and 9-digit numbers. And when you do import those into Excel, Excel sometimes gets a little confused with the numberings and the commas. So let's see if there's a workaround to avoid that. So first thing I'm going to do is create my own little CSV file with some numbers in it. So let's go 304, comma 145, 645. We'll do another line, 33, 167, 200. I'll do one more, 187, 191, and then we'll wrap it up with 403. Okay, so we have a 3 lines of 3 numbers each, and now what I want to do is just import this into Excel. So I'm going to open up Excel, get this going, and paste it in. Okay, and look what happened here. So you can see the commas didn't take. So if I do a text to column, there's no commas there anymore because Excel has already converted all 3 of these into numbers. So what happens is when you paste in this number right here, Excel thinks that's one number. It's not a CSV. It's just those commas are actually part of the number. They should not be separated. So what we need to do in order to do this properly is, and if you can imagine, I'm just using 3 lines here, but for a lot of you, you're using hundreds and thousands of rows of numbers, and this is where it becomes an issue. So what I'm going to do is go back to it. So let's just close this out. We don't want to save any changes to that since it's not accurate. Load it back up. So what I want to first do is convert the area I'm going to paste into. I'm going to convert that just to text. Okay, now let's try it. Copy, and this should now paste into text. Now we're going to go up here, text to columns, and there we have it. So when you're importing numbers, with commas, and it does get mixed up. Excel does get mixed up, at least this older version of Excel does. Just make sure you format the area or the row or the column you're pasting to, format that to text, and you should be good to go. So I hope that helps some of you out there, and thanks for watching.